Today's video, something that needs to get taken care of. This is something that goes back to the video of the 5 things that I hate. One of the things that I didn't like was the interior lighting. Could be brighter, it's bright enough, but it could be a whole lot brighter, to be honest. And that's what this is. I went ahead and purchased this kit from Precision LED. Let me see. There's 2 different types for the Tacoma 3rd gen. There's the premium, and then there's just the standard. So I got the standard one. The map LEDs, I got a complete package between map LEDs, dome, mirror, and the license plate lights. Gonna swap those out also. So the map lights, they were only $20. Dome was $9. License plates were $20, and the Vanity, for some reason, are $35.96. So like $36. That was the most expensive one, and it should also come with everything you need to swap it out. So like the plastic trim removal tools, and that's what this is, the professional interior trim tool kit. So they provide that. Nothing else in the box, along with the LEDs. Between these and the premium ones, these have exposed LEDs. So as you can tell, they are exposed. So there's a total of 5 LEDs exposed. In the premium, they come with a bulb over them that is glazed for even distribution of light. Between the premiums and these ones, when you have a volt shortage, it won't dim on you. It'll be a consistent flow of light. Unlike these, so if I lose voltage on my battery, I will get a dimming effect with these. I did go with the 6K. Link will be in the description for these. These are a bit difficult, to be honest. Each one has 2 clips that you gotta mess with. They're on the sides. So if you do get this kit, you'll have this tool right here. You're gonna insert it on one end. You're just gonna wedge it in there and push it in, and then you'll hear a little clip. Once that's in there, you'll take the fork tool, and angled like this, you'll just get right on top and just keep messing with it until it pops out, or until once you get that fully in there, then you can take this one out and then stick it on this side to get this second clip. But I'm gonna do this, and then I'll show you guys the clips and how they look like. Alright, so if you can also stick your hand through here, right under it, and push it, it'll be a lot easier. These are the 2 clips, so this tool will go through the side, and then it'll pretty much push this in for you. The fork will start messing with it. You'll pull pointed one out and then stick it on the opposite side to push this in, and then you'll be able to just pull it out. It's gonna take time, be patient, but it'll pop out eventually. To remove the actual bulb out, you're just gonna hold this and then twist. Obviously you'll twist lefty loosey, righty tighty, and then go ahead and just pull it out slowly, just like that. Then obviously for the bulb, go ahead and just pull it out. Once you get your LED, obviously this is gonna be for the license plate. Go ahead and just push it in there. Alright, once it's in there, put this back on. Remember, you had to twist left and then pull, so obviously it's not going to go in directly, it's going to go in at an angle. Go ahead and just twist it back so it locks in, and then you could just go ahead and hear that click, you're good. I'll make sure to film these along with the interior when it gets a bit darker, so you guys can see how bright these actually are. Alright, so I went ahead and did this one already, but I still got to do this one, but I did that so you guys could see the color difference. This is 6K, and that's the stock yellow tinted bulb that it comes with, and it's a whole lot brighter, to be honest. So yeah, pretty simple to do. If you go with the Precision kit, It does give you the tools that you need. So all you'll need is this, along with some tape. I have the Scotch clear tape, and I'll show you why after. But with this tool, you're gonna use this edge. You're gonna put it right along this side, the edge I should say, and then just pry it, and it should come off that easy. Alright, so once you get your tape around the bulb, you overlap it, pinch it, and it'll come off that easy. Then you'll get your map light. Okay, so I went ahead and did it off camera again, just to show you guys the difference. That's the 6K, and that is the stock yellow light bulb. Whole lot brighter than that one. Obviously precision LED is the way to go. Simple to take it out. So for this Vanity, you'll use this fork looking pry tool, and you're just gonna go right in here. There's a tab right here, and then a fork looking like this tab right up here that's just kind of hooks in. So really all you gotta do is just take care of this one. Obviously, like I said, just pry it in here, and then once you're in, just pull towards you, and it'll pop it out, and then this one will just kind of pop out as well. Alright, so I went ahead, put it in there, popped it out, and then that's what I'm talking about. It's just hooked on, and then the clip is just that little clip. So pretty simple to remove. To remove this bulb, all you gotta do is just use this pointed one that is also provided. You're just gonna get right in there, and it'll pop out, and then you can just go ahead and pull it out just like that. With these, there's one way that they go in, obviously with the LEDs pointed towards you, not like this. So you'll just go like that, push it in, just like that. So once you get that in, to put it back, just the top first, and then the bottom will just click in, and there you go. Alright, so to remove the dome housing, you're going to use this tool. You're going to pry up right here, opposite from where the switch is. Just to clarify, there's this little rim right here. You're going to start off with one side, pry it in between the rim and the housing, pry that one, and once you're in, just work your way to the other side, because there's only two clips right here, which are those right there. So pretty much this goes like this. You're gonna remove one, and then work your way to the other side, pry that one down, and it'll just flop down like that. Now for the bulb, there's this stationary side, and then there's this side. You're just gonna pry that to the side, and the bulb will come down just like that. Oh, so to put this bulb back in, obviously it's only going to go in one way, pointing down towards you. This point has to go right in there, and then you're just gonna just like that. Bam. So first, let's put it back on this side first. And just like that. Boom. All white. Bam, 6K. The 8K are more of a bluish tint, if that's what you prefer. Go with the 8K. 6K is more of like a true white. This is night right now. I'm gonna show you guys how bright the new LED lights are.
like aren't they are way brighter than the stock ones. Even those, oh my god, those are super bright. Let me. Oh my god. Yeah, that's bright. Good call with going with those. So those interior, and now these license plate lights will actually match the same color bulbs in the third brake light. Yep, whole lot brighter. Just so you guys could see that those lights now match the third brake light. Nice. Cool, so I'm happy. Includes this install on my Tacoma. I'm happy with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Somewhat easy. Interior for sure. The license plate lights, those can get a bit frustrating, but with patience, you guys got it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. This channel is about install videos on how I want my build to turn out. At first, I wanted that rock climbing, just send it stance, but the more that I'm thinking, it's gonna be more of a overlander, camping out on the weekend type of build. I do want a 1-inch poke with my wheels. I know a bunch of people don't like that look, but anyways, that's for a whole different video. Hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up, share, subscribe. Remember guys, live life.